Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. First things first, what you're going to do here is you have to clean the screen. Gently wipe the screen with a soft, lint-free cloth. Remove any dirt or water that could affect touch sensitivity. Avoid using liquids or glass cleaners directly on the screen. Step 2. Remove screen protector or case. Poor quality or damaged screen protectors can block touch input. Remove the screen protector and case and then test the screen again. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release volume down. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 Plus, or 7, hold volume down plus power button together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 and earlier, hold home button plus power button until the Apple logo appears. Step 4. Disconnect accessories and chargers. Remove any lightning cables, USB cables, or headphones. In rare cases, connected accessories can interfere with the touch responsive. Step 5. Let the iPhone cool down. Overheating can cause the touchscreen to freeze. If your iPhone feels hot, turn it off and let it cool down before using it again. 6. Free up storage space. Low storage can lead to performance lag, so go to General, iPhone Storage, delete large or unused apps, photos, or videos. And then next is Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update, install the latest iOS version to fix unknown bugs or touch issues. Lastly, reset all settings. Go to iPhone settings, general, and then reset all settings. It won't erase your data, just resets preferences. And lastly, contact Apple support. So it could be a hardware issue. Then visit an Apple store or authorized repair center for professional help. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.